Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, House with Garden. Today, I want to talk about something that I'm sure many of us can relate to, feeling overwhelmed by clutter in our homes. Do you ever find yourself struggling to keep things organized and tidy? Well, I've got some exciting news for you because today we're going to dive into some easy organization hacks that will help you declutter your home in 2024. So, let's kick things off by introducing the title of today's video, Declutter Your Home in 2024, Easy Organization Hacks for Every Room. Having a well-organized living space is not just about aesthetics, it can have a significant impact on our mental well-being too. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges that many of us face when it comes to decluttering our homes. From lack of time and motivation to not having effective strategies in place, decluttering can feel like a daunting task. But fear not, because I've got some practical and easy-to-implement organization hacks that will make the process a whole lot easier. From tackling cluttered closets to organizing chaotic kitchen spaces and creating functional living areas, we'll explore various tips and tricks that will transform your home into a clutter-free oasis. But wait, here comes the climax. I have a particularly effective and surprising organization hack up my sleeve that you may not have thought of before. Get ready to be amazed. As we wrap up, let's summarize the main organization hacks we've covered today. Remember, decluttering isn't just about having a tidy home, it can have a significant positive impact on your mental well-being. And now, it's time for the call to action. I encourage you to try out the organization hacks shared in this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement content and share your own decluttering tips in the comments below. Let's support each other on this decluttering journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy decluttering, glowing star! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face, clutter in our homes. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the mess around you? Well, stick around because I've got some fantastic organization tips coming your way. Now, let's dive into the topic of decluttering and simplifying your space. Having a well-organized home is not just about aesthetics, it can have a significant impact on your mental health, productivity, and overall well-being. Trust me, a clutter-free space can work wonders. Let's talk about the negative effects of a cluttered environment. It can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and difficulty focusing. But fear not, I'm here to help you conquer the chaos and create a peaceful sanctuary in your home. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of decluttering. I'm going to share some practical tips on how to tackle different areas of your home, from closets to the kitchen and living room. By decluttering and organizing these spaces, you'll not only free up physical space but also create a sense of calm and order in your life. But wait, here comes the exciting part, a success story. Let me share with you the journey of someone who transformed their space using the tips I've provided. It's truly inspiring to see the potential for a clutter-free environment and the positive impact it can have on your daily life. In conclusion, remember that decluttering is not just about tidying up, it's about creating a space that nurtures your well-being and allows you to thrive. By simplifying your surroundings, you're opening up space for new opportunities and experiences. And finally, I encourage you to take action today. Implement the organization tips shared in this video, and don't forget to share your own strategies in the comments below. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe for more home organization tips and tricks. Together, we can declutter our spaces and lead a more organized life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.